Usually before using, you should use your hair dryer. Style it. I wear it without style, so it's a little strange, a little weird. But you can see the quality is super good. Here, very invisible. Can see. This area is silk. It can bring you a very nature looking, just like our own hair. And this is a light brown. The color of this one is light brown, and this is European hair. You can see the hair is super good. Do you like this one? This is a medium cup. You can see the hair is very good. Very good quality. The quality is super good. Let's see this area. The base. Do you like this one? This one is very good. If any man, one can wear it. Sorry. The hair length is about 25 centimeter. You can see the hair quality is super good. Can you see? This is European hair without any chemical process. Virgin. This is virgin European hairs. Very good quality. The quality is super good. You can style it very easily. Thank you. Let's see next one. This one, this is our last system for today. You can see this is mono base, very strong, super strong. I put very strong. This one is super strong. It can handle, you can wear it for years. You see the hair. The hair is very smooth too. Let's see the hairline. The hairline is very invisible. There is tiny, the nose inside are very tiny. This one is on promotion now. The price is super low. If you are interested in this one, you can visit our web. We will offer you a very good price. The quality is super good. Do you like this one? This is mono system. It's the most strong base in our market. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching.